Life is measured by what they give, what they gave, the ata, or the contribution they gave to humanity. And that's why in Islam we believe giving is living. I always say that equation. If you want to live way after you die, you have to give. And the more you give when you're still alive, the longer you will live.
Let's take a look back at what we have been able to accomplish in Phase 1, thanks to your generous support. For the first time ever, Madina Canada presented our New Year's Halal Jam, the first Islamic New Year's youth concert. We provided a halal environment for our youth to enjoy themselves in the new year. We established the Center for Nonviolence and Peace Studies, featuring a faculty consisting of scholars and religious leaders from all faiths, including Dr. Bunty, Reverend Dr. Terry Atkinson, and Sheikh Dr. Muhammad Al-Ninawi. We established the first global faculty of Islamic poetry featuring poets such as Sayyid Sabihuddin Rahmani and Dr. Ghulam Murtaza Naqibi. We formulated an international faculty of Usuluddin, or theology, with scholars from around the world. We graduated the first class of Canadian Islamic leaders from our Executive Islamic Studies program. These individuals are now leading and giving back to their own communities. We inaugurated the Madina Kids Academy, providing a fun but also educational learning environment to our kids and youth. With programs such as our Sunday School and Deen for Teens, there is no longer a need to force our future generation to learn. They will want to come themselves. We hosted the first Toronto International Qur'an and Unity Conference, featuring some of the world's best Qurra, such as Sheikh Ahmed bin Yusuf Al-Azhari and others. This conference united all Muslims, regardless of differences in opinions, using the power of the Holy Qur'an. We empowered a diverse community consisting of men, women, and children from all backgrounds. Madina Canada is not an exclusive club. It is a place where we all unite to advance ourselves in our religious and professional lives, united through our love of Allah and His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In such little time, Madina Canada has been able to give back to our community in ways no other organization has. All of our undertakings are filling in the gaps found in our community, working to bring back love and compassion into our lives.
The whole point behind what we're doing at Madina here is to connect back to Madina. Madina's vision and mission, and the foundation of that reformist movement that the Prophet ﷺ started 1400 some years ago, to reconnect with that, to bring hope and opportunity to all.
None of this would have been possible without your generous support in Phase 1. Let us continue to work together and work towards our goals in Phase 2.